Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create folders in Gmail. Friends, to better organize your Gmail account, you can very easily create new folders in Gmail. In Gmails, these folders are called labels. So to make new folder, you simply need to drag it little down and click on more options. And in more options, you will find to create new label. Now simply give a name to your label and click on create. Now our new label is created. Now you can give a color to this label. Now you can simply move your mails to this label by selecting the mails and click on this label option, and here select the label name and click on apply. Now friends, as you can see, now the label name is appeared on the emails, and now all these emails are available in our newly created label. Now as you can see, all mails are available here. So friends, like this you can very easily organize your Gmail account and can create new folder or label in your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.